Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to start a new course, Python programming language. Myself, I am Ashish Kumar Vitta. I am MTech graduate from NIT Warangal. So today we are going to start the course, and this course is mainly focused on BTech people and intermediate people who completed their intermediate and who are going to start in the BTech, who want to start their journey in BTech or degree, some other courses. Them and degree people already who are in degree and who want to start Python programming language. Similarly, polytechnic people and non-IT people. Non-IT people means especially they don't have any knowledge regarding the programming language. Still, they want to start their journey. For these all categories, and even though if I can cover non-IT and degree and BTech, everyone. So I'm going to cover everyone in this course. Okay, so everyone can start happily. So you can start your journey with me. Mainly in my course, say for example, in this Python programming language, how I made this structure this course means 90% and 10%. This 10% is theory. Means theory means what is what and what is Python programming language and what is this thing, what is this thing, and all the information. Okay, and this is the major course. Majority 90% how to use Python for problem solving, how to use for your interviews, and how to start your career in software. So that comes under how to use the Python programming to write the codes. So I will focus 90% of my course will be on this only, very 10% theory. Why? Because my strategy is, for example, in your home you purchased some washing machine or a TV, you will get a manual, right? How to use the washing machine, you will get a manual. Similarly, if you know already knows the washing machine how to use, does you require a manual? No, right? Similarly, this is my strategy. First, I will make sure that you can write whatever the program in Python. If you can write program, then you no need this theory. Just you need the basic rules, all the information, how to use the Python programming language, all comes under this theory. So I will make sure you know these things by working out by number of examples, so that by the end of the course, you will be happily you can write any code. Okay, and at last I will provide the notes for this 10% theory. So we will cover 100% Python programming language. Okay, now this course is structured in this way, like for data types, if else if for while, list, functions, recursion, dictionaries, math, every category I will cover very less theory, and for each I will try to make 10 problems. If I will structure the 10 problems in such a way that if you can cover the 10 problems, you will get a strong knowledge on the specific topic. By this you will complete the Python programming language. Now total there are 10 topics, so 100 programs. I planned 100 problems. So easily I will explain each and every problem. I will explain from the basic, so I will make sure you will learn. Okay, thank you for watching this video. We'll meet in the next video. From next video onwards, we'll directly start some theory, more programming. Okay, happy learning.